Hi everyone, today we are going to show you the 3.0 version of our ATS friendly AI chatbot. So in the last version there were some issues that we have faced. There were fluctuations in the percentage match and it was fluctuating between 3 to 5%, and that part we have fixed now. We have other way to do the keyword extraction, we have some other way to do the comparison and all, and at the end of the day you can get the percentage and you can chat with your resume so that okay you can improvise your CV according to the job description. Now what all changes you have done, that will be mentioned by Tanya at the end of this video, and here just I am going to show you the demo of the solution. So first I will come back here, and this is where the job description I have found one, that is for AIML engineer, and I just copy this one. I'll come here, I'll paste this one here, and I'll upload my resume. So just wanted to let you know guys, this is the older resume that I'm uploading, so I might get a lesser percentage. Let's upload it. I have uploaded that. Now if I ask one question, so what is the percentage match of Tanma's resume with the job description? Yes. So I have uploaded that now. Okay. So it is mentioning that 27.0% is the percentage match, and what all keywords are missing and final thoughts it has passed. Now if I ask, so tell me what is his strength? What are his strengths? Stuff like this. See, by doing this you can understand also that it's maintaining the chat history, because I'm mentioning his, I'm not mentioning my name. If I now send it, okay, as you can see it's mentioning that based on thermal resume these are my strengths. Okay, so yeah, this is all I wanted to show you. Now one thing I wanted to show you here. Now if I refresh the screen, as you can see again things are clear, and if I upload again the same job description same job description and my same resume, and if I upload that, and now if I ask the question, not the exact same question, it's asked tell me is percentage match, tell me percentage match. If I ask something like this, as you can see it's mentioning 27.0%. so it is maintaining the proper percentage mapping and it's not fluctuating anymore. So now Tanya is going to explain that what all changes we have made.
So what happened previously, we relied on prompt engineering solely for finding the percentage of match, but saw that the output we are getting in different iteration for same JD and resume was very unstable, and that is why we have implemented this BERT keyword extractor. So basically what we have done, we have tried to extract the important keywords or key terms from the resume as well as the JD, and then we have found the percentage of similarity between those extracted keywords, and that is how we are seeing how much similarity is there between a resume and the given job description. So for this I have taken help of a beautiful model from BERT, which is KeyBERT. This is this is actually fine-tuned for tasks like keyword extraction. I have fed the resume text to the input of the KeyBERT. Once that text is extracted, I have converted that text into two embeddings. one is document embedding and another is word embedding. So basically this keyword has inbuilt a method for forming for doing this embedding thing. So now I have taken help of cosine similarity matrix to find the percentage of match between JD and the basically the keywords of JD and resume, and that is how it is showing the percentage of match between these two extracted keywords. Thank you for listening to me.